we're going to be looking at the deductive or inductive reasoning. That's what we're going to be looking at right here. So let's take a quick look. So when we talk about deductive reasoning, we're going to be moving from general to specific. So with deductive reasoning, we will have a general case that we're going to end up getting specific about in the end. And so we could look at this. Also, we have some, like with this, we have some statement of fact or factual statement. So there's going to be a given fact, all right, in this as well. And then from we could use that to go to specific cases. While in inductive reasoning, it's quite the opposite, because we're going to have specific case, and then we're going to use those specific cases and we're going to turn them into a general idea. And with the inductive reasoning, we're looking for patterns. So if we see anything with patterns coming out, then we could use it. If we see trends, sometimes we get some examples and we look at them and we're now able to use those to predict. All right, so we're taking our trends, our patterns, and we want to use it to come up with predictions. If we're able to do that, then that's what we call inductive reasoning. We're moving from specific and we're going to predict what we're going to have in the future. So again, when we're looking at the inductive reasoning, though, when you look at your trends and your patterns and then you formalize a conclusion, that's what we call a conjecture. So the conjecture is going to be that pattern, that trend that you saw, and then that conclusion that you're making that will help you to make that prediction. That thing that you're going to be using is what we call the conjecture. All right, so let us see what these questions are about quickly. So that's just a quick overview of the idea. So the question says here, determine whether each conclusion is based on inductive or deductive reasoning. So let's read. It says, students at Olivia's high school must have a B average. So here is a statement of a fact. Must have a B average to participate in sports. So there it is. So that is the given fact that we have there. Now, so this is a general thing. And then now it says Olivia. So now we get in specific. Olivia has a B average. Therefore, she can participate in sports. So you could see we take this general idea for everybody. And then now we're going to use it and say Olivia, right, as a B average. So this is a deductive reasoning, because then you could see where we're moving from a general case to specific. We got specific down here, and we are coming from this general idea up here. Everybody must have a B average. Oh, Olivia has the B average. Olivia participates in sports. All right. So that's deductive reasoning right there. For this one at B, it says, Holly noticed that every Saturday, taking a look at this, every Saturday, this is a trend, this is a pattern. Every Saturday. So we could see the trend, the pattern coming out right here. That's our trend. That's our pattern. Use of words. We're seeing it there. Her neighbor mows his lawn. Today is Saturday. So we're moving from her neighbor, which is very specific. This is very specific. And then we're going to generalize. Today is Saturday. All the concludes her neighbor will mow lawn. This is very inductive. So this is inductive. All right. So moving from every Saturday, her neighbor. So it's very specific. And then we're going to go to general. So that is inductive right there. Let's take a look at this one. Ben saw bunnies on his lawn, right? The last 4 times he left. So bunnies on the lawn the last 4 times. We're seeing a pattern here again. He then concludes that bunnies goes on his lawns only at night. So he's going to generalize, specific to general. So this is inductive as well. All right.